In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download files from Block Telegram channel. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Only download content when you have permission, and never try to bypass restrictions or region blocks. Respecting channel rules and local laws keeps your account secure and supports creators. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Telegram web. Sign in, then give it a moment to sync your chats. Once everything loads, navigate to the channel or chat you are already a member of and are allowed to access. If the channel is private, restricted, or not available in your region, don't attempt to get around those limits. Instead, request access from the channel admin or wait until it becomes available through official means. If you like having a clearer download experience in your browser, open your browser's extension store and search for a reputable Telegram video downloader. Add it to Chrome or your browser of choice from the official store, and then open the extension so it can integrate with Telegram web. Only use extensions that you trust. Review their permissions carefully and never use any tool to bypass channel restrictions. With Telegram web open, go to the channel and find the specific file you want to save. For photos and videos, you'll usually see a small download arrow or a three-dot menu near the media. Click that and choose Download. Some extensions add a visible download button beneath the media you are already allowed to view, which can make this step more convenient. For documents, compressed files, or audio messages, click the file, and your browser will prompt you to save it. Pick a familiar folder like Downloads or a project folder so you can find it easily later. Give the download time to complete, especially for large videos or archives, which may take a while depending on your connection. Keep an eye on your browser's download tray to track progress. If something seems stuck, pause heavy background activity, such as streaming or cloud sync, then try again. A stable, wired, or strong Wi-Fi connection will make the process smoother. If you don't see a download option on Telegram web, try updating your browser, clearing the cache, or switching to Telegram desktop. The desktop app often shows a clear download arrow when you hover over photos and videos, and it tends to be more reliable for big files. Also check your available storage space. Low disk space can silently block downloads. That's it. Thanks for watching.